Hi Lux Travelers, welcome back to my channel. Jade here with Lux Travel. We are a boutique luxury travel agency curating door-to-door itineraries for our discerning clients to enjoy the best each destination has to offer. All of our clients enjoy VIP benefits at our preferred hotels and resort partners. We have over thousands of them worldwide, and we have over hundreds of videos dedicated to these properties on our channel. If you don't find the ones you're looking for, we also have a membership only area where we keep all the unpublished videos there. Enjoy the membership, join the membership only and support the channel. We are at the Hotel de Mitsui in Kyoto. This is a luxury collection hotel under the luxury brand of Marriott, and it's super beautiful. I think this is the most Japanese style in architecture and operation that we have enjoyed this trip so far, because the staff wears kimonos to check you in, and it's just very zen. Everything looks super local with a strong sense of place, and it's definitely what my guests are looking for to really enjoy the destination in and out. The concierge is on the left side and reception is on the right. You don't have to come to the desk for check-in and check-out, because everything could be done in the lounge right in front, and the staff will come to collect your identifications as well as present welcome drinks. This is the hotel's little library. It's also a business center. You can do some computer work and print out something. If you have to get that done during your stay here, this will be the area to come. This is one of the two restaurants on ground floor and in the hotel, Toki. This is a omasake restaurant with set course, and the breakfast restaurant would be the other one. This is one of the two restaurants on ground floor and in the hotel, Toki. This is a omasake restaurant with set course, and the breakfast restaurant would be the other one. Tea lounge. You can have matcha and make amazing tea here over this area and taste it afterwards right next to the lobby lounge. This is restaurant Forni, which is also where the breakfast takes place. This is the all-day dining restaurant. Hello. The garden is absolutely beautiful, and you can have a beautiful view of the garden in most of the places that you sit in this restaurant. Here in the basement level, you have a fitness center and you have thermal springs as well as the spa. Traditional houses. It is served as a private dining space and also multifunction. You can come here for a kimono wearing, some culture lessons, and just have some experience not out of the ordinary for yourself when you're staying here with this amazing garden view. This very nicely curated garden. Welcome to our room. We're staying at 201. It is a garden view double room. I love this beautiful lamp right outside of our door. Welcome inside. Just upon entry, there is an umbrella here, a stand for your bag, another stand for shoes or any other item that you want to keep close to door and handy. We have a diaper genie here, and these slippers are beautifully laid out for us, so you can just comfortably walk inside one. I love that detail. In the room, we have a baby crib and a double bed. I want to mention that it's actually amazing to have bed size like this. It's actually not twin. It says twin, but it's much bigger than that. So I feel like we have a lot better room and better rest because the size of the bed is a little bigger. Because this is like personal notes, my daughter likes to sleep with us. Amazing view from outside. This is the garden view of the Mitsui Kyoto. It is super Kyoto and super Japanese. I really love that about this place. It gives you a great sense of place. You're not confused on where you are, and you don't feel like you're missing out on any scenery when you stay here at the resort. Here we have our welcome sweets, snacks, and also some kids' passport for our daughter to have some fun at the resort. I think we will turn off the TV. It's currently playing the design story behind Mitsui. The Mitsui has quite a few different hotels, but this is the Mitsui Kyoto. It is a luxury collection hotel under the Marriott brands. Cute comforter with different elephants on it. I think my daughter will really love this comforter and just like to show her different animals because she absolutely loves animals. So here you have your water included as well as coffee and tea. Very beautiful mugs and glassware. If you want additional space, you can open this part and have more space to make tea. Here's some chargeable minibar items and kettle ice buckets. So now let's go see the bathroom. Here we have a super comfy terry bathrobe. You have the double sink, so no need to rush when you need to leave in a short period of time. There's additional amenities including kids toothbrush and toothpaste and some additional things for adults. Come inside the shower area. You have a bathtub here for soaking bath and bubble bath. You can choose the type of shower you have for the standing rain shower separated on the side, and the toiletries are the Mitsui Kyoto custom-made toiletries. This is your toilet. Washlet and your sensor heated seat and toilet here. Welcome to the Nijo room. This is the highest in the standard category. So you have the similar setup, but you're facing the Nijo. this is the garden suite. You enter with the living room area, your entertainment space with the TV right across the seating area, a really large driftwood coffee table, and this is your incredible view with the interior of the hotel. You're facing the garden. The similar setup as the Nijo suite would be on the other side with the view of Nijo, of the castle. And for those who wants to have a more interior garden and peaceful view, you can select the garden suite instead. Soaking tub and standing shower. Vanity space for the ladies to get ready, and your walk-in closet. A yoga mat. Last but definitely not least, the bedroom